In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create category archive page template in Elementor Pro. A category archive page is the hub where all posts from the same category are listed. Building a custom template ensures those listings match your brand, highlight the right information, and stay consistent across your site. You'll need Elementor Pro and administrator access to your WordPress dashboard. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your site's control center and where we'll access the tools to build our template. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and open Templates. This is where Elementor stores reusable designs like headers, footers, single posts, and archives. Inside Templates, open Theme Builder. Theme Builder gives you a structured view of all template types and where they apply. Now choose Archive. Archive templates cover blog archives such as categories, tags, authors, and dates. Because we're creating a category archive, Archive is the correct type. From the template type dropdown, select Archive to confirm we're creating the right kind of layout. This keeps things organized and ensures Elementor applies the template to archive pages rather than single posts or other areas. Click Create Template. Elementor will load the editor. You can start from a blank canvas or insert a pre-designed layout from the library to speed things up. Either approach works, choose what fits your workflow and brand. Now design the template. Add an archive title widget so the category name displays dynamically, and consider including an archive description if you use category descriptions. Use the archive posts or posts widget to list your articles and style the cards, thumbnails, titles, excerpts, meta, and read more links to match your site. Pay attention to spacing, typography, and colors using your global styles for consistency. If you use sidebars or filters, lay out columns accordingly. Don't forget responsiveness. Check tablet and mobile views in the editor and adjust columns, image ratios, and spacing so the layout remains clean on smaller screens. When the design looks good, set your display conditions. Click the Display Conditions button, include archives and target categories. You can choose all categories to apply one template site-wide, or pick specific categories if you need different designs for different sections of your site. Keep conditions as specific as necessary to avoid conflicts with other templates. Finally, click Save and Close. Elementor will apply your new archive template based on the conditions you set. If you need to refine anything later, return to Theme Builder, edit the archive template, and resave. That's it. Your category archive now looks and works exactly the way you want in Elementor Pro.